Oh. You're gonna sit in your corner. You're gonna sit in the corner. You are such a little nerd. Oh, oopsie. Oopsies.
Kaylee.
Yeah, good job. Yeah. Whoa.
We'll bring it back to him.
Thank you. Good girl. Good girl, Kaylee. Are you trying to give her your rattle? Kaylee. Good girl. Thank you. Good girl. You're such a good girl. You're a silly boy. You're a silly boy. Thank you.
Daddy.
Good girl. Thank you. What do you think about the puppy? What do you think? Do you like her? She likes you. Huh. Woo. Woo. Hold that back.
Come here, Addie.
Come here, sweetie. Kaylee. She was just bringing it over and just letting go. Like, she's bringing it over here.
I know she's a natural fetcher.
Yeah. Oh, reach. Reach. Yeah. Yeah. Whoopsie. Kaylee. Kaylee. Thank you. Good girl. Drop. Drop. Drop it. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Right. You're trying to climb out. Aw, are you trying to escape? Are you trying to escape? Oh, well, bye.
He likes the fetch game.
Yes, he does. Drop. Drop. Good girl. Good girl. Hi, sweetheart.
Addie's a good girl, too. Yeah.
Yeah. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Oh.
Daddy, come.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, good job. Yeah. Oh, he kind of jumped back. Did that scare you? Ah. Oh. Yeah, you're a nerd. Yeah, put the monkey in your mouth. There you go. There you go.